Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Now from here, just tap on Language. Now from here, just tap on Add Language. Now from here, just select any language from here, just like that. Now from here, if you want to change the language, just tap on Set as Default. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the language on our smartphone. Just like that. And also, if you tap on Add Language, you can add multiple languages at the same time. Just like that. And you can switch between the languages from here. Just like that. And this is how you can change the language on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.